Since you're learning how to make a course on Udemy, you may already have an idea of what you want to teach. You might have a very specific topic in mind. Perhaps you're an expert in a particular subject. Or you're a pro in your field, but you haven't narrowed down a specific focus for your course yet. Or maybe you're here because you heard about Udemy and are excited to teach online, but aren't really sure just yet what you want to teach. No matter what scenario best describes you, the important thing is to teach what you know and focus on content that will provide the most value to your learners, like a new technology that's going to disrupt a certain industry, an essential business skill that will help people grow their careers, or a personal skill that will improve your learners' lives. Whatever your topic, remember to focus on its value to your learners. We recommend that you spend some time on Marketplace Insights to explore topics you are thinking about teaching. Marketplace Insights is a searchable page you can find on your instructor dashboard that helps you to identify in-demand topics and provides data to help you assess how your topic may perform on our marketplace. If you have a specific focus in mind for your course, you can use this tool to understand the demand and the competition for that topic. If you have a more general idea of what you'd like to teach, but want to narrow that down, use the tool to see if there are any more focused topics within your domain of expertise that are a good opportunity. And if you're still exploring ideas, try searching a few topics to gauge learner interest. Now let's go and try the tool. You can access Marketplace Insights by clicking the Tools area of your instructor dashboard. When you land on the page, you'll see a search bar. Below the search bar is a list of promising topics that are currently in high demand. Use the search bar to search for your topic. You can be really specific, like certified data management professional, or a bit more general, like meditation. When you search a topic, you'll see its student demand, the number of courses already on Udemy about the topic, its median monthly revenue, as well as the monthly revenue for the top course in that topic. You'll also find helpful info about the search volume for the topic, key search terms, and related topics of interest. At the bottom of the page, you'll see where the enrollments for the current courses in that topic are coming from to give you insight on how learners are finding these courses and links to the top earning courses in that topic. Ready to give it a try? Search some topics you're passionate about or interested in teaching. Please be aware that Udemy does have a list of restricted topics that are not allowed on our marketplace that can be found on the Help Center. Remember, you want to teach a topic that you're passionate and knowledgeable about. As the instructor, it's important to establish yourself as the expert, but you also want to teach a course that learners are interested in. Don't be discouraged if you find that your course topic isn't in high demand or if there's a lot of competition. Try refining your topic to see if there's a unique approach you can take to capture a new audience, or see if there's a related topic you could teach that interests you.